much you mean to me, baby. I can't put it in words. You don't know how.
This is the time. Look into your eyes.
Hey loves, it's your girl LAL, Lovely Angel Lady, and I'm doing this Make Me Blush makeup tutorial for y'all today. We are focusing on the eyes. We're going to go in with this changeable Forsee palette that your girl got from Amazon. It's cheap and affordable. You heard me. I will drop the link down below for y'all. But my face is already done. As y'all can see, I got on my foundation and I've highlighted and contoured. We are going to start off with this like reddish brownish shade, like a brick shade, and we're going to start at the beginning underneath the brow and just drag this eyeshadow backward. We're not going to go all the way fully to the end of the brow. We will stop and just bring it down, and we want it to come down far enough to where it's going to blend in with our contour going down our nose, if that makes sense. Y'all, this look was inspired by one of I Am Shelly's makeup tutorials. She did a Valentine's Day tutorial about a year ago. I will drop that link to that below as well, because she really did give me some inspiration. I wanted to do this Make Me Blush look, meaning a pink look. So this shade is highly pigmented, so you want to make sure that this is blended out really nicely. But we hitting up our other eye. And we're doing the exact same thing on this other eye. e.l.f. concealer in Tan Walnut. It's time to cut this crease, baby. So we're going to go ahead and do a partial cut crease using this e.l.f. concealer. And I like how light it is, so it can pick up on any shade when you cut your crease, whatever eyeshadow shade you choose. That color is going to make it like really pop. So that's why I like to use a super lighter shade when I cut my crease. But yeah, so we got to go in and do this other eye. Hi my love, so we're going to apply this light pink shade exactly where we applied the concealer, over the entire lid where that crease is cut. Your girl's gonna go over it one more again just to make sure that we ain't missed no spots. Now I'm just dragging this same brick shade down into my contour, right down my nose, and I'm using this brush that I used to set my contour with to blend it out. Okay, so it's time to take that same brick red shade and create some definition. We are basically creating like a liner effect using the eyeshadow. We don't want it too intense, so we're not using eyeliner. We are going to use our shadow for this, okay? Kind of elongate that eye, give it a little tight shape, you know? I already got slanted eyes, but that's why I like these contacts. because they do make my eyes look a little bit bigger. You know, they look more open because they make my pupils look bigger. I be looking like I can see everything, still blind. Applying this shimmery beige shade to the tear duct, so it's only going in the inner corner of my eye. That's all. Ew, we gonna make that thing pop, 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 pop. We gotta go ahead and define this line right here. It's only right, y'all. We can't leave that thing jacked up. We gotta make it look nice and neat. How you like me now? We're gonna go ahead and stamp this brick shade right on under the eye, sugars. Add a little drama for your mama. Why? Because we grown and we can. Go on and drop this under this eye like it's hot. Yeah, oh yeah. We cutting up because the month of September is upon us. Blending this out a little bit, smoking it out. We don't want to leave it so harsh. Going in with this She Glam double wanded mascara is one of my faves. It's kind of waterproof, so that sucker don't like to come off though. Kind of hard to get it off. But you're gonna do the top lashes and the bottom lashes. Kiwi lashes. Just trimming these McKiwi lashes that I got from Amazon. We don't want them too long for our eye because then we'll be looking like Bambi. Applying these using this Kiss lash glue adhesive. It's really tacky, y'all, but I like it because it has some grip. Pop on this lash like bow, 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 bow. Ow. She got some lashes on. She got some lashes on. Ooh, some lashes on. This that Essence Mosaic Blush right here, you heard me? This is in the shade The Barrett Connection. Peach Pout. This Peach Pout by Pixie Beauty is my favorite. I love this lip balm. It does tint the lips, but it's a beautiful natural looking pink. Cold Brew by NYX. Let's line these big old things up. Sparkling Pink by Milani. Sparkling Pink by Milani. We're gonna sauce these girls up with this really super pretty pink. Ooh, good. Where you get it from? I think she get it from her mama. No, she don't. Her mama don't wear makeup. Make it official. Press that subscribe button. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. Join the LAL fam. Gotta have you in my life. Yes, I do. And of course, I'm using Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set this face. This little mini handheld fan is from Amazon. I'll drop the link down below. Thanks for watching. Later, loves.